Welcome back to Blockchain Pill. My name is Alex, and today we'll see what happened on the Internet Computer Protocol in the previous week. I think that the chance to buy ICP at under $10 is slowly but steadily fading away. The ICP price is currently trading at $7.44, 45 cents right now. And a couple of days ago, if you were brave, you could have got ICP for under $7, for $6.20. And if we learned anything over the past years, this is usually a good time to start buying crypto and not selling it. When people are afraid, you don't really want to de-risk. That is when you want to increase your position or at least start DCAing into your favorite cryptos. I think that this recent crash is just validating the previous local bottom that ICP had at around $6. And if nothing horrible is gonna happen in the world, I think that we are gonna move up from here. And if we manage to break the old local high here at $21, there is literally nothing stopping us from reaching much higher, entering in this massive bull run of 2024 and 2025. And the reason why I think we are not gonna go lower and are instead going a lot higher is this right here. Approximately $30 billion will be added every month through Treasury Buyback operations. This is similar to what we saw in 2020 during the COVID crash, when the US government started injecting a bunch of liquidity into the financial markets. And this is just the beginning. We're witnessing the beginning right now. So for the people that are still bearish now, this is not the time to be bearish. This is the time to place your bets, because we are in for a massive bull run. Let me know in the comment section below if you agree or if you think we are actually indeed going lower. I'm curious to find out what you guys think. Now let's have a look at what Dfinity has been up to last week. And I think this is one of the biggest highlights from last week. Dominic had a fireside chat with a Dfinity employee, and they talked about blockchain and AI and how the blockchain can actually enhance AI by having it on chain. And the main benefits are it would make AI unhackable. If you're feeding important information to your AI, you want to make sure that this information cannot be leaked and go into the public. During this video, Dominic mentions that he's extremely bullish about something that is going to happen in 5 weeks, somewhere in September. Something extremely bullish is going to happen. I have my theories. I think maybe we're going to see the first big corporation, the first big company start using Utopia maybe.
Well, we're specifically very bullish about AI that runs on the blockchain itself in the form of smart contracts. We're bullish about something else too, extremely bullish about something else too. I can't talk about today, but we'll come back to that.
What do you think? Do you think he's bullish about something that has to do with Utopia, or is it something completely different and unrelated? Now for some cool news, I am officially the presenter of the ICP Ecosystem Monthly Roundup, which is done in collaboration with Dfinity, where we go and find the biggest things that happened inside the ICP ecosystem. Welcome to the ICP Ecosystem Monthly Roundup. In the next few minutes, I'll tell you about every major thing that happened on the Internet Computer Protocol in the month of July. This series is going to focus on ICP builders and on the main milestones from Dfinity themselves. So if you're a builder, just keep building, because they are watching and they are looking for builders that they can promote and they can help, expand the reach of. The Dfinity Global R&D for July just dropped, and this session includes a recap of Bitcoin Nashville, updates from developer experience, the Cyclotron AI milestone, the CKUSDT launch. This is something that happens every month. Multi-chain DeFi just became more accessible. ICP Hub Mexico, in collaboration with the University of Mexico, has launched a pilot program to enable students to pay with CKBTC in various stores within their universities. And this is actually a super cool initiative, because they gave like 4,000 students, they gave them 100 pesos worth of CKBTC. That's around $5.44. The students were able to use those funds to buy coffees or to use them at coffee shops. So this is a great initiative to onboard 4,000 students. Dfinity released an article about Chain Fusion, and they mentioned that Chain Fusion fuses elements to create a unified Web3 experience, adding value to chains like Ethereum and Bitcoin while enhancing the ICP ecosystem. And this article goes more in depth about how Chain Fusion works and why you should leverage ICP to make your dApp better. 2 projects launched their SNS the previous week, and one of them is ICVC. 1.1 million ICP raised. ICVC DAO is a community-governed Web3 venture builder. It's basically a VC firm that is leveraging the ICP technology to have an on-chain governed venture capital firm that will help ICP projects get the required funding and be able to build the cool stuff that people want to build, but unfortunately they don't have the funds. And I think this is going to be a very important project for the ICP ecosystem. And this is the introductory video by Luke Dugdale.
And today I want to introduce you all to ICVC, a community-governed venture capital fund built on the internet computer. One of the biggest problems on the ICP ecosystem right now is that companies don't have access to early venture funding. It means that they have trouble scaling their products before they launch their SNS and decentralize. That's a problem because they tend to launch their decentralization process quite early. And we want to help them improve their products and scale their products before they do that.
The second project that launched an SNS is a meme token, one of the first meme tokens on ICP. It's Dogmi. They launched their SNS, managed to raise over 8,000 ICP currently. Most of the funds raised by Dogmi will be used to create liquidity for the trading pairs, for the Dogmi and ICP pairs. It is the second ICP meme token to have an SNS following Ghost, and we'll see where the price will go. All in all, a lot of things are happening in the ICP ecosystem. And with that, we're done for this week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.